Why were you so pleased to work with Walk the Plank for the Waith Daith?
Walk the Plank are one of the world's leading companies when it comes to creating outdoor spectacle of the scale that we wanted for our 10th anniversary celebrations. So I was delighted that we were able to work in partnership with them to create something really special. They've been involved in creating opening ceremonies for Cities of Culture, for Commonwealth Games in Manchester, and their reputation for both working on scale but also providing surprise, wonder and creativity, I think sets them apart. And I had a fabulous experience of working with them in Londonderry during the City of Culture in 2013, and with Walk the Plank and Frank Cottrell Boyce. It won the UK's Outdoor Event of the Year award and so on. So it was that bringing world class to Cardiff and to Wales to celebrate the 10th anniversary of a world class venue.
So why should people come along to the Waith Daith finale event?
People should come along to the Waith Daith event because it will be a jaw-droppingly great spectacle full of fire from the cauldron, song. There'll be people on the roof. There'll be people rowing around the Welsh coastline to come into the bay by boat during it. It's free. It's a feast for the senses, and the weather will be glorious.
And is there anything in particular that you're most looking forward to about the event?
I think the thing that I'm most looking forward to is probably the cauldron, the flaming cauldron in Cerridwen, and Cerridwen being sort of the master of ceremonies and leading us through this story and providing the beginning, middle of an end, and that storytelling aspect which is so part of Welsh life and culture. I almost feel like the most exciting bit about this is that you might feel as if you're sitting round a giant fire in the Welsh hills or valleys, just being told a real Welsh story by brilliant people.